Hello everyone, and welcome back. I'm doing another What's for Dinner here, and in this case also What's for Lunch video. We're going to have, this is a home-raised, home-butchered chicken. I'm going to do a couple of chops from the pigs that we raised, and I've still got a lot of garden potatoes I'm eating. It's the first day it's been above freezing in days, so it's really nice out there. I thought I'm going to start up the barbecue and let this cook for a while. It's a nice thick chop there. Maybe that one's even thicker yet. That's going to be good. I have the heart and the gizzard here. I'm just going to throw that in some foil with a little bit of seasoning and cook that up too. I got a couple of drones for Christmas, and I was out today, this morning, practicing flying these things because it's the first warm day, and if there was a scale of 1 to 10, 1 being the worst, I'm about a -5. I can get it to come off the ground and hover a little bit, but then they like to run into the trees. I'm going to get this chicken put on first because that's going to take a little bit longer to cook. Actually, I'll probably eat some of this for supper. I'll be eating this for a couple days, so I'll put these on maybe about 15 minutes, and I can have a chop or whatever for lunch. I'm going to throw a few maple chunks on here just to give it a little bit of a smoky taste. I think I'll bring these potatoes out and throw those on, then I'll come back in and season up those pork chops. May as well throw that on too. I got some Calico beans that are left over that I'm heating up in the microwave. Okay everyone, well that's what's for lunch, and we'll have to come back later and get that chicken when it's done, and that'll be what's for dinner. Well, that was a delicious lunch. The other pork chop is done. This is the thicker one. I'm just going to foil that, let it cool down. My chicken should be done pretty soon too. One nicely barbecued, kind of halfway smoked chicken. I'll see you guys later tonight when it's dinner time. Okay everyone, well it's dinner time. You guys saw what was for lunch, and now you see what's for dinner. Thanks a lot for watching. I'll see you guys on the next video.